Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I create videos about making money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So if you are interested in this type of topics, then this is the channel for you on which you can find all this good stuff. And after watching this video, you can check out other videos on my channel which will provide you a ton of value about how to make money online. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn money using Instagram. So that's gonna be a very good video, so just stick to this video until the end so that you get every information required and you don't get stuck in the middle, because I don't want any of you to get stuck. I want you to make much money from affiliate marketing, because that's the easiest thing which you can do on internet. You just have to copy and paste affiliate links and you can earn money, and that's the easiest thing which you can do. So first of all, what you have to do is go to Clickbank, and if you don't have a Clickbank, just sign up for a Clickbank account and then go to marketplace. Okay, once you are coming to Clickbank marketplace, you can see there are many of the categories available here. Now what you have to do is select one of the product. Okay, I'm gonna show you, you should select the same product so that you can apply what method I'm gonna show you using this product. Okay, so you can see here is a product which is known as manifestation magic. It has a gravity of 219. This is some of the awesome gravity, and this product is converting like hot cakes. You can see here, let me just zoom it out. It's 219 gravity, and here's the initial sale is $39. And you can see what I'm gonna show you is that how you can promote this type of product. Okay, so now let's jump and I will show you where you can promote this type of content. To promote this type of content, I'm going to show you how you will use Instagram to promote this product. All you have to click is promote link and get the affiliate link. Okay, I have already got my affiliate link, so I'm not going to click the promote button now. So now how will you promote and where will you promote this type of product? Okay, now first let's go to Instagram. See, I have opened a page on Instagram. This page is known as Insta Law of Attraction Live. Okay, so whatever this product is, it is related to law of attraction or self-help. Okay, and this is a channel which is going to show you all that stuff. It uploads this type of content. See, like law of attraction and numerology and all this type of stuff. Okay, so you can easily create this type of a page with such type of content. Now I'm gonna show you how you can get all this type of content. Okay, what you have to do is just select a content from whatever page you like. Okay, for example, if I like this one, then I will select this one. Okay, and what I will do is I will get its link. Okay, so this is the link of this photos. If I want to download this photo, I will just Control C. I will just copy this link. Just click on this plus button and I will type a website name gramsave.com, okay, and just you have to paste that Instagram link over here and just click this download button. Okay, so you can see here you can download that photo from here. That's simple, that's easy. Just download this type of photos. You will find many of the photos on Instagram and just upload it to your page. Okay, that's simple, that's easy. There is no difficulty in doing this type of thing. You just have to download photos from Instagram. Just copy the links of the photos and you can download as many as you can. And what you have to do is create a page like this and just upload that content to that page. Now what you have to do is you just have to write this type of bio on your Instagram page and post your affiliate link over here. Just pay attention. See, you can see here what we think, feel, act and attract, and there is a link over here. What you are going to do is you are going to paste your affiliate link over here, which is here given. See, I am zooming it out. You can see this bit.ly, that's an affiliate link which they have given over here, and then that's it. You just have to upload this type of content regularly and paste your affiliate link over here. You can see there are 1.8 million followers in this channel. This is really a very big page, but it's okay if you don't have much followers in the starting. if you post consistently, you will eventually get many of the followers. That's not much difficult. At first for some days you just try follow for follow method, and after that, once you reach 2 to 3,000 followers, Instagram algorithm is such that it will promote your content to many of the pages. So you can post this type of stuff every single day, just 2 to 3 posts every single day, and just give you a link in the bio like this, and you can make very much a good amount of money because you are affiliate link, and someone clicks on this link and buy this whatever the product you are promoting, this one product, then you get a commission. Okay, that's really simple, that's really easy. What you have to do, all you have to do is get your affiliate link from here, and then just post that affiliate link in the bio over here. You can use a URL shortener to shorten that link, and that's it, and you're ready. Okay, you just have to create this type of content. You don't need to create content, you just have to download some of the photos and upload it to your Instagram page, and just eventually do it consistently so that you can grow your page, and as your followers increase, you may start getting clicks and sales. And that's really a simple trick, a simple method. If you just apply this method for a month and just gain some significant amount of Instagram followers, you are definitely gonna make a good amount of sales and receive very good amount of money from that. Okay, so for example, it may take you a month to get almost 1,000 followers. Okay, it may take you a month to get 2,000 followers here, and if you divide 1,000 followers by if there are 1,000 followers, 1,000 impressions on this link, and if only 1% people, means 10 people click on this link and 10 people buy, and 5 people of them buy it, then also you are gonna receive $300 to $400 of commission. So that's very simple. Any page, anyone can grow a page to 1,000 followers in a month. All you have to do is follow for method, follow for follow method, and what you have to do is just follow 50 people per hour. Don't follow more than that, or else your account may get banned. Okay, just create this type of Instagram page, and just do a follow for follow method and upload some of this type of content. Okay, that's really simple. You can do it just in 1 or 2 days, and in a week you can make up to 1,000 followers. That's not that difficult. You just have to be a bit consistent, and this is not a overnight get rich overnight scheme. This is a genuine method which is used by many people. You can see this page, Law of Attraction Live, this page also uses this method and earns a good amount of money with this type of method. Also, you can also definitely earn money with this type of method. So I just want you to take action on this method and start earning some money, because it's very easy, very simple, and you can just do it working 1 hour a day, and you can earn almost thousands of dollars per month using this method. So if you like my content, if you like this video, then just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video, bringing you some new content, and more awesome content is coming up on this channel every single day. So just press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed.